Hurricanes are big storms that form out over warm seas. They spin in a big circle and bring strong winds of up to 150 miles an hour, heavy rain, and cause huge waves to hit land. They can even produce lightning and tornadoes. Hurricanes can uproot trees, destroy buildings, pull down power lines, and cause flooding. Many roads become blocked and people may lose power and water for days. Hurricanes are ranked from 1 to 5. A category 5 is the strongest and causes catastrophic damage. It is not possible to stop a hurricane, but scientists can predict when and where they will hit, so people can prepare by boarding up windows, getting emergency supplies, or evacuating if needed.